The Strait of Hormuz is burning again, and behind the smoke, a very clear financial map is emerging. This isn't just a war story, but it is a market story. Since Iran shut the strait in late February, Brent crude had jumped 15% within days. Gasoline prices spiked and inflation fears a return to Washington. But not every producer is losing. Saudi Arabia and Oman are headed for a windfall, while the United Arab Emirates is watching its petrodollar income shrink. So why the split? The geography and infrastructure matter. Riyadh has rerouted nearly 7 million barrels per day through its east-west pipeline to the Red Sea port of Yanbu, completely bypassing Hormuz. And according to the Goldman Sachs, higher prices have more than made up for the lost tanker shipments, and that's the Saudi playbook. Sidestep the choke point and sell into a panicked market. Compare that to Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar and Bahrain, and they are under loss with no pipeline escape route. Now, those unable to avoid the strait saw the strait revenue declines, and even as the prices climbed. And then there is refining. U.S. gasoline refining margins have surged more than 60% since June, crossing $56 a barrel, nearing 2022 energy crisis territory. Refiners are now pocketing both a crude discount and a fuel price premium. Now, that's a rare double windfall, which analysts are calling is simply unsustainable. And beyond the Gulf, the biggest winners could sit outside the West Asia entirely. The New York Times has calculated the United States had gained roughly about $50 billion in extra export revenue, and Russia over $15 billion, while every Persian Gulf nation had logged export declines. The key takeaway is that the Hormuz tensions are reshaping petropolitics itself, and Saudi Arabia is consolidating leverage over rivals like the United Arab Emirates. Washington and Moscow are quietly cashing in, and refiners worldwide are riding margins that history says won't last. The war isn't just about the Gulf, it's about who controls the world's next barrel and also its price. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.